Hello. Hi. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, today is a little bit late. All right. How are you guys doing? Good morning, Carrie. Good morning, Dives. City Walker. Mohammed. Kevin. Hakim Chase. Mike Canfo. Daniel Shader. Hello. Good morning. Table. Extra. Pino. 214 Red. Dwayne. Morner. Leo Fogg. Momo. Damn, Marco. Good morning, D-Ho, Doris, right? I remember that. Okay. Great. Today is Wednesday. Today we got FOMC, right? Let me take a look. Yes, FOMC at 2 and 2:30. So, yep. Oh my god, President Trump speaks. Oh my god, I almost missed this. This is so important. This is fucking high impact news. Wow, how can I miss this? Alright, I will see this as red folder for sure. This is nothing like medium impact. This is highest impact for the market. So, alright, so I'm not gonna check the NY market open today because I don't know like how long is the speech. He can speak for 1 hour or longer, right? So yeah, let's see if we got anything for London today. Yeah, I'm trying to remember everyone in the chat. Trying my best here. Josan. So, yesterday for the NY session, I traded Michaels. Can you believe it? Like I'm not even on live stream. Like no one's forcing me to take part or try to reduce the position size or what. I just took a trade on Michael MNQ, which is a good start, I guess, right? That I'm trying to not too stubborn, trying to accept every possibilities I can do. Do you think NQ will all-time high again today? It will all-time high again, but probably not today. To be honest, I have no idea what Trump gonna talk about. And his speech, you guys know that, right? Can definitely determine if the market is gonna go up or go down. So since we got Trump's speech today, I'm not gonna have any bias. I'm just go with the flow. Why don't you stream NYM session? Why would I stream NYM session to real? Why would I do it? Time zone, time difference, alright? It's evening time for me for the 9:30 open. It's around 5:30 p.m. here in my local time. So nope. I'm definitely not gonna work in that way. Imagine if you press 25 minutes. Well, I definitely tried to trade 25 minutes and more before on my personal account. But that wasn't like the current market condition. Like it's not like that. The range isn't that much. The volatility is not like that. And when I trade large contract size, no matter it's micros or minis, I scale in. I don't like take 25 and then just end the 25 contracts. I scale in 5 contract each. So just like yesterday, I also scale in 5 micros each time. All right, we'll take a look on the chart today. All right, so we got a relative equal high here, right? On the MY launch, and we got equal high here for ES. So you know what, yesterday, I'm so glad that after the session, I saw that R4 also took a short position, which is great because R4 is like a very seasoned trader, experienced trader. It's also a Hong Kong trader. So as I know, he's from the institution. So, you know, taking the same trade with an institution trader, which is at least, you know, give me some comfort that I'm not going crazy, right? I just not taking the perfect trade. But it's not like I FOMO or broke my rules. That's great. I mean, it's not like I changed my strategy or anything. So, yeah. Did anyone trade this? This is the soft scalp I took for after the London session trade. Just cover the losses. I didn't make like a lot. Only cover the losses I took during the stream. And I didn't take this short. I didn't even take this short. This is crazy. I thought the short is the bearish move is over. So, and as you guys all know that, right? I believe all you guys know that. My strategy for the NYAM session is always trading the outage gap or fading the outage gap. So it's not like if that is an outage gap, then I have to trade from the bottom to the top or the opposite. But I will let the outage gap to determine if I should go long or short. So even though sometimes we got a huge outage gap, the gap won't close, or maybe not even touching 25%. But I will use that as like a benchmark to decide like which buyers should I go with during that NYM session. So I took a long to this high. I think you can just take a look on my Twitter, the post, right? I think I put puzzle. I take puzzle, chat. Can you imagine I take puzzle on my own and not on stream? The TP1 is here, TP2, and the third TP, the final TP is here. So I think it's hit around here. Yep. So it's perfect because after price hitting my ultimate TP, it just go down again. You guys know what is a outage gap, right? The opening range gap. So you tried trading tipsy one day, didn't work out so well. But if you're not having good drinking capacity, you shouldn't trade while you're drinking. You shouldn't drink while you're trading. You know what I mean? I mean, my drinking capacity, I trained it since I was young, so it doesn't bother me if I really take some drinks while trading. But you shouldn't do that, I guess. Which trader is this you're talking about? It's called iPhone Chase. Man, I'm definitely gonna push him a little bit. So this one. He posts all his trades here. I think almost all his trade. So you can definitely, by only take a look on the chart, you will understand. It's not that hard to understand like what is his thought process. I would say you definitely learn something by just watching this chart. So yeah, highly recommend you guys to follow him. Let me take a look. We got midnight opening price here. And we got a huge Asia range again, so it's like 150 points, 140 points. All right. It's actually looking like yesterday's chart. We got a bunch of LR here on both ES and NQ, but we also got relative equal high for the NY lunch session high for both NQ and ES. Yeah. I will just wait a little bit and see how it goes. FOMC today. Yes, it's FOMC today. 2:30. 2:30. How long have you been focused on NQ or so futures? I switched from trading forex to indices, I think in late 2022. Like when I discovered ICT, and then I switched to trading futures in 2023. At that time, I was still trading ETs. And I don't even remember when did I switch to trading only NQ. I just actually do whatever ICT told me to do. It's not like I make my mind to decide what to do next. I'm a good student, all right? ICT said, no more fucking CFD. Okay, let's switch to futures. And then ICT said, like, it's time to trade NQ because ES sucks. Okay, let's switch to NQ. I literally do everything he told me to do. That's why. His real name, Michael Hiroson, I think. How long have you been trading? I started trading since 2019, but when I like taking it seriously, it was like 2021 because COVID, right? I think a lot of traders, prop firm traders, joined the trading space since COVID. To be honest, right now I'm thinking should I really switch the whole thing to micros? Because like I actually reduced my position size a lot if you ever watched my live stream before. Because like last year I was trading 2 NQ. And right now I only trade 1 NQ. Like last year NQ was still in 20,000. Right now we are at 30,000, right? Since we up a lot, the range is also larger than it was. So we definitely have to consider it because it wasn't like last year. So can I still use the same position size? I probably can. I mean, I can, but I have to use a larger stop loss for that. That means I'm risking more, right? Which I don't want to risk more. I mean, I can do it on my personal account, but like, because my personal account is keep on going, but those funded account isn't. those max drawdown limits gonna be like that. Those daily drawdown limit is gonna be the same. Ten micros are the same as 1 mini. Actually, it's not the same. Well, first, the commission and fees are different. If you trade 10 micros, you're paying more compared to 1 mini. Second, the liquidity in minis is actually better than micros. That's why we always see those wick on MNQ, MES, but not on the NQ and ES, because it's highly manipulated on micros, because we got thinner liquidity. So, and you can see sometimes for NQ, it probably swept the high, but MNQ didn't. So I won't say it's the same. It's definitely not the same because I did study those charts. But yeah, I mean, of course, micros got its benefits. So I think I will switch to micros when I feel like I need a larger stop loss. Right? If sometimes I can just remain the like 20-point stop loss, then probably not necessary to just switch to micros. Bias on NQ today, we don't have bias. We shouldn't have bias. You can just watch that Michael's video about how to trade without a daily bias. I think that's the title for the videos. After you watching that video, you will know it's not necessary to have a daily bias. I mean, for my personality, I know myself so well. I better don't have any bias because I can't switch. You know that if I take a long, I can't just switch to short. I just can't. I don't know why. And I feel like if I get a losing trade, I will need some time to recover my mental loss. You know, because I'm not so sure if the next trade is really like qualify all my rules and criteria, or is it just a revenge trading? I want to make sure I'm not doing something crazy. I mean, I can do it for fun, for entertainment, for the views, but I won't do it for long term, right? I can do it for a few streams, but not like, I'm not gonna stream like that every day. Were you an IC charter student? Nope, nope. I told you I discovered ICT in 2022. That's not a charter mentorship, right? Did you still find a trade in NYS? Oh, Ollie, welcome, welcome. And good morning. Yes, I posted it on Twitter. And you know what? I took that trade on Michaels on MNQ. And I take partial. Oh my god. It's definitely personal growth for me, right? But sometimes I feel like, is it necessary to trade on Michael since I entered 25 contracts? I mean, if I enter like 8 contracts, then yeah, of course I should trade Michaels. But if I need 25 contracts, I should probably just stay with minis. You thinking to short NQ? Yeah, we definitely got a lot of sell side liquidity here, obviously. And midnight opening price, since like for our past stream, we know how MNO can affect London session. That's like a magnet. The price always come back to the MNO. So yes, I would say it's possible for price to Go down to here, sweep this low, touching this 1 hour FVG and MNO. But like, it's not like I can, but like I will. Let me take a look. It's actually looking good, but because this week, this sweep, this minor buy security, but I would love to see more confirmation factor, I would say. Right now it's not enough. Let me take a look. You're in short targeting previous daily low? That's so far away. You wanna hold this trade till like 230? Like I mean 230 FOMC. How do you like silver bullet? I traded it in 2023 a lot. I think I post a lot of silver bullet charts and chase on Twitter at that time. Can range until FOMC, a drift higher. Just I will wait a little bit. I mean, we just start the stream. We still got plenty of time. Like what I would like to know, what kind of shorts do you guys want to know? Like YouTube shorts? Like what kind of content do you want to see on my channel? Since I'm content creator right now, right? I'm not only a trader. Oh, who is shorting? You guys, those who took this short, congrats. You guys are making bands. So right now, this wick touching the low here, creating a equal low. So if you in this short, take partial here. ICT info that's help you develop. Yeah, sure. I see. I mean, I talk about that, but no one's willing to watch it. Twitter space, those Twitter space, but that's a lot, right? And each Twitter space is like at least 2 hours. Those shotgun Saturday. I use both 2022 model and turtle soup. Good morning, LP Chase FX. So you chase FX, huh? But we're here trading indices. Is that okay for you? You have watched every TLU. Oh my god. So you're a really good student. I didn't watch every TLU. I mean TLU, Michael's isn't joy every TLU, right? So I didn't watch all those TLU. You never watch any ICT videos. Okay, good for you. Which specific video in 2022 model? It's called a playlist. We got specific playlists. We don't get specific video. Don't ever imagine you can just watch one video and just master the whole trading model. It's not like that. So we actually it's learning how to read the market and how to adapt to different market conditions. So the whole mentorship is aiming for that. So it's not like, okay, I learned this model and then I can be rich, right? Oh, good morning, Jay. So our notorious Jay is in the chat. Please don't say bank. What is that? I'm so sorry. You know how I learn English, right? I emulate what others people say. So in order to learn speaking English. So whatever I hear, I will just use it. Alright, sweeping another low here. So it's another partial point. And kill here. I think I will wait for price touching this MNO, or at least this 1 hour FVG first, to see if we get any setup, right? Good morning, Chrislyn. Good morning, Niels Boker. Which Lambo do you have? I don't have Lambo. I don't like driving. Can I just sit on the passenger seat? Like, why do I have to drive? And just a reminder, we will also have giveaway today if we get enough likes. So if we got enough likes, it will trigger the giveaway. If not, then nothing's gonna happen. So also just a reminder, Ape has 90% off. We still got 5 to 6 days. We still got 6 days for this 90% off. So if anyone want to grab some evals, Apex is here for you. So right now I feel like most of you are still trading with the standard one, right? Instead of the no activation fee because it's so expensive. Because you actually have to pay upfront cost for no activation fee. But if you are buying intraday trailing, I would say just stay with the standard one. But if it's EOD, yes, it's okay. I mean, because it's easier to pass compared to intraday, right? So I would say it depends on your trading strategy. If you're good at passing eval, then you can choose this no activation fee because you have, like in total, the total cost is cheaper, but you have to pay the upfront cost. So if you fail the eval, you're actually paying more than usual. So let me take a look on Anchor. What happened? What happened with this pump? Because I was actually monitoring the 15-second chart on my second screen, and I saw price keep pumping. What's going on? I'm so glad I didn't take this shot. Right? I'm sorry I didn't take this shot. But if you guys take partial on these two swing low, you should be fine, alright? You bought the no activation fee and both blow up free accounts. It's okay, it's okay. We all blow up account. For real. Everyone, literally everyone. Of course, including me and other highly profitable traders. Because that's how it works for prop firms. You have to blow up some accounts. And all those rules that prop firms set for you is aimed to make you guys blow up accounts. So it's just so reasonable for us to blow up. But of course, you have to understand like what is the mistakes, what are those mistakes you made during those trades, and don't ever do it again. You will improve next time. So for those who are shorting, did you guys get out with break even? I mean, this kind of displacement, I'm not so sure if I should take short for this displacement. Futures is better than CFD for sure, of course. Of course. The fact that I'm not willing to become affiliate with any CFD brokers is already telling you this. I can make 10 times of those commission if I affiliate with CFD brokers. It's like 10 times compared to a prop firm's affiliate. But I refuse to do it because like I suffer from those brokers. I know what they're doing on the back end. So no. I will see how price react after sweeping this high on ES and NQ. Because right now it's different from what we got here, right? It's so obvious. We're pumping. I'm not taking this trade. I'm just measuring the risk ratio. I'm just thinking if this. Is 30 points. Okay. But it just only sweep this too low. No, I think no. It's kind of suspicious that we didn't touch the 1 hour average and we didn't have SMT too. So not enough confirmation for me. CFD orders are sent to a different market. They take your money. Yeah, so most of the brokers are B booking you. It's not A book. So it's not like sending your orders to the real market. They are actually betting against your trades. So it's, when you are taking long or short, it's not in the real market. This look like a FOMO trade. But I would say if you really take this turtle soup, this is a turtle soup setup, because if you really take this turtle soup with this displacement and close it here or here, this is a apex setup. And also if you switch to 15 seconds, we actually get a little IFVG, which I won't use it though, because it's like a small one. Okay, alright. Cool. I'll keep an eye on that. ES didn't sweep it yet, right? See if we got SMT here. And no manipulation below midnight. Yeah, Daniel Trader. Oh, I love your insights. You always mention something that I miss, so that's why I love it. Force unseen is shorting. You're already shorting. Why? Because of this liquidity sweep here. I'm trying to be not FOMO, alright? And just a friendly reminder, don't copy my trades, alright? Everyone should make their own decisions. No matter I'm taking long or short, maybe I'm not taking any trades, you should still make your own choices. Even though when I'm not taking trades, you can take it, right? For example, this short, this long, I'm not taking it, but it didn't mean you can. So don't blame me on your own trades, okay? Don't act like that guy yesterday. I'm not forcing you to do anything. You can do whatever you want. Alright, Loku Montana. What, you longing this? So, I mean, I love the sentiment in the chat. So someone is shorting and someone is taking a long. So you guys are hedging each other, right? So just want to mention this. We got a special offer from TradeSync. So this 30% off is exclusive offer for our community. So for those who use the code Candy30, you can get 30% off for TradeSync. So which is a trade copier, a cloud-based trade copier I'm using every day. And also get a 7 days free trial. So after you sign up, you will have 7 days to test all those features. And you find it probably it's not something you want, you don't like it, just simply cancel it within 7 days. It won't charge you anything. So after 7 days, you feel like, okay, that's great, it's awesome. Then you can enjoy the 30% off and keep on using this trade copier. It's called TradeSync, and the link is down in my info box. It's an exclusive discount, right? It used to be 10% off. I literally wrote an email to TradeSync and ask for more discount. For real, I can show you the email. I just tell them, well, we need more. 10% off is not enough. So they offer 30% off for our community, which is great. Going to sign up now, extra? Good. You can try it. I mean, they got 7-day free trial, so I have no idea why we shouldn't try it. That was like actually the main reason when I first started to use it. Because, I mean, if I don't like it, I can just cancel it, right? FOMC market sentiment, same interest rate, no change. This is why market is bullish. But that's fundamental analysis. But it's okay. Like, since I'm a technical analysis trader, I use the chart, right? I use price action. If you are existing TradeSync customer, will they apply the 30% off by the next subscription date? You need to ask the support. I'm so sorry because I don't know how to adjust it and in the back end, but it should be alright. It should be able to do that, but you probably need the help from support to like adjust the setting. Yes, also sweep the liquidity here. Are we going to the launch high? Are we going up? Oh my god, if we keep going up, I will have no trades at all. Which is not a good idea. What kind of question is that, George? How do you say I love you in Mandarin? Well, first, I speak Cantonese first, okay? And second, I wouldn't say it on the stream, alright? I'm from Hong Kong, so I speak Cantonese. You know, one of the banned word in this live chat is ni hao. Because I fucking hate anyone who type ni hao in my chat. So I banned this word. No one can type it. Like in English. Have you been to Egypt before? No, actually not. But like, I did have some plans on going there because it's so close to UAE. And actually my personal trader personal trainer. I'm sorry. My personal trainer is from Egypt, so he always tell me his stories in Egypt. My AI. What? Why? Oh, keep on going up. Come on. Come on. So, is anyone in the trade right now for the long position? If yes, what is your target? Like, are you aiming for the lunch high, or are you just keep on trailing your stop loss? Because like I talked with another experienced trader before, like what is his target when he taking a trade? Like how do him determine the target if we don't have any liquidity pool? For example, if we're in all-time high. So he's not using standard deviation or other thing. He just simply keep on trailing the stop loss. So he got some rules. For example, like how many bearish candles that he will close the trade, right? Or how many points is the price we're chasing, then he'll close the trade. So instead of having a liquidity pool as the target, he just simply keep on trailing the stop loss to preserve capital and protect his profit, so he can capture most of the move. For example, if it's like 200 points or 300 points, he probably can capture at least 75% of the move. So that is what he's doing. I would say it's a very good strategy, but like I forward tested it once. Well, I find it very hard to do so. It's hurting my mental capital. So it probably is not a good strategy for me. It's a good strategy, but it's not suitable for me, for my personality. So for a move like this, I usually can capture it all. So if I am in this long, I'll definitely close it here. I mean, I got no reason to hold it till the end. Let me take a look on a higher time frame. Yep. Relative equal high here. 1 hour average here. Well, for higher time frame, I would say best case scenario will be sweeping this relative equal high and get some manipulation done and sweeping this LL and touching the mid opening price. That would be our best short setup. But we still got a long way to go to the high. Yep. Market is bullish on higher time frame. Of course, I mean, who doesn't know that? We're not blind, all right? Of course, it's high time frame bullish. We all know that, all right? We all know that. Do you use ICT weekly profile for buyers? Nope. Nope. You know, I actually don't like this trade button on trading view, because sometimes I'm just adjusting the chart or try to switch on this indicator, I will accidentally click this button. But if I don't show it on the screen, you guys will think like it's just paper trading or something, right? Something like that. But you know what, I was actually expecting price to at least touching this gap first, this daily average. It's huge. Probably a week. Right? I just feel like after sweeping this relative equal high, we will get something done and touching this daily average and then keep on chopping. Probably because of Trump's speech. Like using Trump's speech as a trigger point to get that price action. Well, right now I can't get in the long for sure. Even though I know price is targeting these levels. Because if I enter long here, well, first the risk is so high. What is SMT divergence? So when NQ got a higher high and ES didn't, ES probably got an equal high or a lower high, then that is the SMT divergence. I don't use YM for that because like YM is a boomer indices, and it's actually the stocks, the company inside of that index is just so different than those on ES and NQ. So I don't use it at all. I mean, you can trade it individually, but I won't use that for SMT. Do you trade ahead of Trump's speech? I mean, for the London session, we still got a few hours away from his speech, so I think it's okay. But like pre-NY session, I would skip it. It's Trump. I mean, it's Trump. It's not even the Fed chairman speech. It's Trump. So no, I'm not doing that. I'm not gambling. Have you ever worked before become? Of course. What do you mean? Of course. Oh, I'm old. Okay, I'm not 21. I worked for a long time. That's why those kids out there, those haters are all kids. So they don't understand why I have so much money for trading. They thought that I earn all those money from affiliate commission. I mean, come on, I work. I work so hard on my full-time job. So I get a lot of savings. It's how you make money. It's not like you have to make online money. You can make money with a regular job. And of course, those kids, they will not understand that because they probably never worked a full-time job before. They just graduate from college or probably don't even study university. Those kids out there just throwing shade everywhere. Oh, you're not sure about that? Someone just called me auntie the other day, isn't it? But auntie is great. At least it's not grammar, right? I'm waiting to see what is the price action after price ripping this high, because I'm not getting in right now. I mean, I can get in right now for sure. So I will have to wait. Do you work in the financial industry before? Yes. So I study a lot of finance knowledge. Like, although knowledge I can apply in real life, it's not just on textbook. So at that time, I actually have a lot of assets with all those different fund house. And we know that, how's the real financial world is working. And those kids is just thinking this whole platform thing is a social media thing. Oh, Ray Trace. Don't worry about the haters. You're doing an amazing job. Let's talk soon and do something great for the community. Thank you, Ray. Thank you. Not only for these super fans, but also appreciate your kind words. For real. But I feel like do you come here often? Do you join our Discord? I probably didn't see you in Discord, but appreciate it. You want to short? Not now. Wait until price with this liquidity first. And it's okay to miss some move. I mean, we're actually missing all the moves. For example, like I was sleeping, so I missed all this Asia range and the NYPM, NY lunch move, right? We miss all the move. We can trade 24 hours every day. So missing some of the move isn't a big deal. Have you pursued CFA? No, CFA is fundamental analysis. I take the CMT exam. Don't short, at least wait for price action to show short J. Yes, we don't have any shop set up here, obviously, right? The idea that I was planning was I want to see if we get something after sweeping this relative equal high. If we don't get anything, then I won't get in. Like, it's not like price sweeping this liquidity. Oh, it's turtle short, that's short. I won't do that. I need to have a confirmation signal. But you know, even though sometimes it's an apex setup, you can still get losses from it. Come on. Share experience when you get interviewed. No, I'm so sorry, but I rejected all interviews. I rejected like 99% of the interviews. I'm so sorry. And podcasts. Oh, great, Chase. You joined our server today? Great. I bet Candy used to beat up other girls in school. What kind of shit is that? I gotta say, it's actually the opposite. Like, it's actually the opposite. How come I'm the one who beat up others? It's the opposite. If you know my personality, you will know it's impossible for me to beat up anyone. Is anyone still in this trade? Remember to take partial and check of stop loss to break even if you're in this long. What do you think about gold? I don't trade commodities anymore. I got PTSD for all commodities. I can't trade them anymore. No oil, no gold, no silver, no never. Did you guys still in a position for SpaceX? Because I saw it's like go up for over 200%. I think someone say that. So you guys are rich as fuck if you got some shares on SpaceX. $7.8K is so less. You deserve like 75. That is crazy. So for anyone who enjoyed the stream or want to see more live stream in the future, remember to subscribe and like, and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next stream. Man, I mean, I can't get in any trade right now. Patience. Okay, this toy is useful right now. I need to be patient. Okay. I really want to get in the trade. Come on. I'll turn the light to blue right now. Because this is how I feel right now. So I need to turn it to blue. It's kind of scary though. What I saw on the screen. It's like horror movie. Alright. Almost there. You think the light will be green? Just don't turn it to red. I hope so. I'm not gonna turn it. Oh. You got this placement. Yeah, sweeping it. Great. So congrats for those who hold the long position till the end. Levin, good morning. You truly get for those who take this long position. If you are in this trade or you take partial, you can post your chart in Discord so we can celebrate together and let the community see your entry. We can all learn something from each other. We actually got a lot of great traders in Discord, so but they are not. Some of them are shy, so they are not like talking a lot. But for example, the iPhone that I told you on the stream, and also like our trader Jack, our great trader from Australia, is also in Discord. Those are all experienced traders. And Trader Jack is also from the institution. He works in a real prop firm desk before in Australia. So it's not like online prop firms. It's a real prop firm desk. So right now, like he returned to his family because he need to take care of his children, which is a great act, like to become responsible for the family. So he only trade the online prop firms now. You know, these kind of institutional traders, they definitely got different perspective and insights for the market compared to us, compared to me as a retail trader. Okay, yes, also sweep this equal high. We probably keep on getting continuation. Yeah, I want to see more consolidation before getting to another trade. SMT between MES and MNQ. Well, I would highly suggest you use the mini contract for trade analyze. Even though you're gonna take those trade on micros, use the NQ chart and ES chart for annotation. You should be switching to DJing when waiting for a trade setup. How am I gonna DJ when like all the music got copyright? I can't play other music. Oh. Trending Asia and trending London. Yeah. Man, come on. But you know what? I feel like I am the one who is impatient in the whole chat. Like I always want to get in. Like even though I'm not getting in any trades since the stream start, but I have to say I want to get in a trade every minute. You can see I'm just keep on monitoring the chart. I just want to get in. I want to get in so bad. Whoa, MNQ we got equal high. Create my own music? You mean the AI music? But like last time when I talked to Luna Chase from the PFM, I think he mentioned that even for AI music, they got some copyright. Like YouTube is kind of strict on this thing. George, it's okay, you don't have to spam the chat. I don't use volume profile, thank you. Oh, come on, come on. Please don't act like a trap. Please don't act like a trap. No, nothing. I'm gonna go back to yes. Do you use Aqua Futures? The screen says Cook Candy for Aqua Is this Aqua? Yes, Levine. That is Aqua Futures. I got a standard account, but I haven't tried for yet because I don't have time to study the rules. But I want to read all the rules for the account and also for the payout requirement first before getting to trade. I just get in. Only 5 contracts right now, 5 micros, because I don't have enough confirmation, but I will scale in if I saw something good. Right now it's not good enough, right? Okay, so I just scale in. And yes, I'm gonna fucking take parcel. Wow, I need to trail my stop loss. That is so shit. Because the risk reward ratio right now is so shit. I'm gonna trail it. At least 1 to 5, 1 to 1.5. I want to trail my stop loss. I'm waiting. It's slowing down, so it's not looking good. This displacement is great, but right now we got something here with this, so it's not looking good right now. It's around 20 points for the stop loss, which is reasonable. Let's see if I can trail more. During NY session, do you normally trade NQ or MNQ? Because you realize sometimes the price can be a little different between the two. Actually, most of the time I'm trading NQ. I only traded MNQ yesterday. Like these few days is kind of like I'm trying to see like what's gonna happen if I switch to MNQ. But like in the past, I mainly trade NQ. Oh, it's not looking good. So this, we got a CB here and a order block here. So this order block will be my bottom line. So because like 3 PD area and the next is our S, right? So if we already passed 3 PD area, and then my stop loss will be a reasonable one. So I'm not risking too much on the trade. And if I need to take a parcel, I can take it for this micro. Don't copy my chase. Just not financial advice. I'm just doing my own thing, okay? I'm not doing any advice, not education at all. I'm just sharing my own experience and my insights. It's not looking bad though. Not enough displacement, I would say. Because short compared to long, it should be moving faster. Which right now this short idea is not moving fast enough. You know, usually long you take a lot of time to get into the target, but for short it should be like in a blink. Right now, it's far away. Oh, all right, partial. So half of the position is off right now. Only the other half is here. Yes, here, great. Oh, it's not yes, sorry, NQ. NQ just touched this 1 minute BC. Well, of course you can target lower, but for me, since this is a counter trend trading, I know because we're higher time frame bullish, so I think that's enough for me. Like here, I'm not aiming lower. W, it's not W yet. I have to check my stop loss to break even in order to get the W. But right now we are still so close to my entry point, so it's kind of hard to trail the stop loss, which I should do that. I should do that. Okay, I would just like, come on. So I just trail to the high here instead of break even because I still want to leave some room for the trade because we got a CB here, so price can retrace back to this CB. And maybe a wick up here, right? Then hitting my high, my stop loss. Alright, I feel like it's retracing. I will just shove it to the break even. I just shove it to the break even. I mean, I got no choices, right? Obviously, I have to. Maybe it's killing the trade, but yeah. That's the reason that I switched to micros, so I can have better trade management. So if I don't try to stop loss to break even right now, it's kind of meaningless for using micros. I should just use minis in that case. Your target is 23. What is 23, 21? You want to see 520? I would say it's totally possible. But like, we got a large range up and I'm doing counter trend trading, so I just want to be conservative. You can see how conservative I am by me trading these micro contracts, right? Adapting to the market condition, yes, I think I should do that. I shouldn't be too stubborn, right? I do listen to all of your advice. So you guys, when you guys sharing your insights, yeah, I would definitely take a look. It's probably hard for me to change my mind in one day, but you know, after a lot of streams, I am keep on changing my mind. I'm trying to adapt to what is currently happening. Should hit 526. 526 is like where here? Oh, that is the previous 4-hour high. Rans, hello? WJ, yes, I would say is partly W. It's partly W right now. It's not a full W, it's we. Since it's half W, it's we. Oh, it's retracing back to this CB right now. Not looking good. I probably got stop out for BE for the other half of the position. But since it's BE for my stop loss, so basically it's a risk-free trade right now. All right, stop out for BE. I feel like I just killed my trade. Probably retrace back with this CB, but you know. So we got a half W for it. I'll have to close everything first. Yeah. It's a half W. It's not good enough. It's a we. Yes, it's a we. I will still look for another trade because I'm not making much for that trade. But it looks like a long position. Long setup. It's looking like a long setup here. Like, but yeah, just let it go. It's we. W chain management. Yeah, that's a good thing about taking partial, right? Because I look back in all my live stream, most of them, if I do take partial on those that I told everyone to take partial, all of those trade are W. But it's because I didn't take partial, so all turn it into BE and loss. So I just feel like in that case I should probably just take partial, isn't it? You just enter long. But if I enter here, it will be like 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, right? 1 to 1.5. I'm not getting in. I'm just measuring. I didn't get in. Yes, it's dropping. Did I just kill my short by pushing it to break even? Did I? Did I just kill my short? So my original stop was here. But yeah. Half W is W, right? You want deeper retrace for longs? I think we will get into here. But right now I can't get into, I can't re-enter right now. If I re-enter, I can target this low. I will have to target at least here. Okay, yes, with the low. I think I will get it now. Oh, can you see that? I'm so sorry. Only 5 contracts because that is what's left. Because this displacement looking very good. Am I too reckless? Because we still got a CB here. Probably can retrace back it. But I would say this long wick but this displacement is kind of reasonable for it. So it's not like I'm tracing price, right? Is that how it looks like? I'm hesitating. But it did qualify for all my criteria. The long wick, the displacement with speed, the SMT. Yeah, I didn't broke my rules, right? Did I? I'm kind of confused. Did I broke my rules? I didn't, right? It's only 5 micros. Man. Can I scale in more contrast? Like 5 micro is kind of shit. It made me very frustrated with 5 micros. What am I doing trading 5 micros? This is crazy. If price past this I'm gonna get in 5 more micros. If it turn it into IFUG. Because I don't want to chase 5 micros. Like, what the hell is that? Okay, I just get in 5 more micros. And yeah. And also I will trail my stop loss here. So I just put my stop loss here right now. What is it? Let me take a look. Yeah. I'm having a very tight stop loss right now, which can kill my chase anytime. Because it's like 6 point stop loss. But I just want to be honest, I don't want to chase 5 micros. You can trade micros, but I don't want to. Right now, we just touch the bearish order block here and see how price react with it. We got so many volume imbalance here. Let's see if my 6 point stop loss gonna kill myself or gonna preserve my capital. My original stop loss here, I move it to here for better risk-reward ratio, and also because I scale in 5 more contracts, so I don't want to have a negative RR for that. Oh my god, price rechasing, holy crap. I'm gonna get stop out. Chat, what should I do right now? Should I close the trade out? Holy crap. Yes, it's clean. Clean by what? Liquidity. Michael said no trade before big news. Of course, but are we before big news right now? It's London session. Are we trading pre-NY? Are we trading NYAM or NY lunch? No, we're trading London session. So after we're chasing back to the entry point, right now we're chopping. I'm actually looking at 15 seconds chart on my other screen. Price have to go up now. If not, it's gonna retrace back to this BC. Then I will get stop out. Because we got a huge gap here. You can see that, right? So if this inversion cannot hold the price up, then yeah, I'm done. Good stop loss if this holds. Yeah, I would say if I switch to micros but still trading aggressively, that's actually violate the whole concept of trading micros, right? So I want to get it more conservative for both my stop loss and also, for the target. So I'm not aiming for 30 points or 50 points. I want to aim lower and also get a smaller stop loss for the hour. We keep on getting weak here. Right now candle body is still closing inside. So, but when it's closing outside, then we are going down. At least we go down with this order block. I would say it's not looking good. It's looking very bad right now. For real, it's looking very bad right now. Risky SL. Yes, exactly. But like, by having a smaller stop, oh yeah, that's the same, right? By having a smaller stop loss, I'm actually giving less room for the trade to breathe, but also I'm also preserving capital. So when I'm losing, I'm not losing that much of money. I think I'm stopping out. All right, done. But you know what? Can you believe it? Let me close the trade. I'm still positive right now. For real. My account balance still green. That is crazy. But that is not what I want, all right? I want real profit. I don't want... Right now, I'm up $30. But I don't want $30, all right? I don't want $300. I want more. So I'll look for another thing. What do you mean? You think I should below the FVG? You mean this one? If price reaches back to the FVG, it can also get a wick down. So, yeah. Uh-oh. So right now we take a little break. We don't get into a trade just after a losses. We at least take 5 minutes break before getting into the next trade. So it's not only because of the capital loss, but also because of mental loss. So we can make sure we're not doing it just for revenge trading. We're actually seeing a setup. So this high is this one. I need more confirmation. Right now, we don't have enough confirmation. To be honest, if price retraces back to here, I probably take short. I won't take long again. Greedy tipsy. Yes, of course, I'm greedy. If I'm not greedy, I won't be a trader. If I'm not greedy, I wouldn't trade 20 accounts with Apex. Isn't it? I'm fucking greedy. Nomadic Lion, are you new here? Because I mentioned it so many times, I don't trade commodities, alright? I don't trade commodities anymore. Don't ask this question. I don't like how NQ getting different candlestick with MNQ. I mean, it's just so hard to read it together. Do we pass 5 minutes from the losses? Because I want to get in another trade now. Is it 5 minutes now? 5 minutes later now? Bearish order block. Price retrace back to this bearish order block and a little bit. And we got volume imbalance. We got BC. Scalp. Yes, I want to scalp, definitely. I'm still green. Still green. But like, this green is not a real green because this is 30 bucks, which I don't want it. I'm getting in now. I'm getting in now. I want to make sure I'm not over trading though. But I have to check my stop loss because right now the risk reward ratio sucks. I'm a little bit over trading. A little bit. It's not completely over trading though. 1-to-1, this is shit. I don't like it. I'm gonna aim for lower. I feel like I'm over trading today. But it's too late now. Since I already get in the trade, I have to wait for it to finish. It's too late to get out now. Time to end the stream. No. I mean, this is 5 micros, not even 1 mini. Chat. It's 5 micros. So it's half position. I will only scale in when we get more confirmation. So right now I'm using half position. Half position with 20 points. 20 points stop loss with 5 micros, man. Oh, it's retracing. I think I'm out. I'm out. It's a losing trade. It's a losing trade. It's an out stream. It's never too late to get out. No, it's too late to get out. I'm gonna stick with the plan. I'm gonna stick with the stop loss. I'm not gonna manually closing it. Chop until NY. Oh. But I think I won't take any long anymore because I was thinking scalping this long. But instead of going straight to the high, it just keep on chopping here. So it actually create more sell side equity here. You can see that, right? This is a whole trend line here. So instead of scalping another long position, I would just looking for a short setup right now. Oh, Janice Mandula, welcome to my channel. Welcome to join our community. Why are more viewers here? You guys want to see losing trades? See, when I get losing trade, we get more views every time. And when I get W, no one is watching. For real, you can just look back all those live streams. When I get W on my first trade, no one is watching. All they want is to see losing trades. It's not good we missed your W. Right now is L, is on the way to L. We're win or loss, it doesn't matter. Really? How come? Been watching your trades, like my style. London a chant for me. Great, that's awesome. Thank you for joining our community. Janice, is that how it pronounced? You watch all live. Five minutes for manipulation to end? Yeah, probably. But I'm putting it above the order block, so if I get a wick out, I would say it's okay. I would say this is still a reasonable stop loss for me. Because if I get stopped here, I probably shouldn't short here. That means I should just be patient and wait for another setup. I shouldn't get in. Go long? No, the long is over for the session. I don't see any continuation for now. You got ES side by side with NQ? Yeah, I usually get ES side by side too. But since I need to also show the MNQ that I'm trading, so I switch from ES to MNQ, showing the MNQ chart here. It's so slow. NQ, if you want to stop me, I'll just do it now. You know, don't torture me here. Don't torture me with this retracement. Just kill me right now. Long time since your last W. How long is that? It was like 30 minutes before. How come long time since my last W? I just got a W today. You didn't watch my stream, did you, huh? Shay and Q. I see. I know you guys. You know, you guys only watch my losing streams. That's why you never see my W. That's the reason. Trading the opposite of me is 100% win. No, you're losing. See? These people always like that. When I'm taking winning trade, they pretend they didn't see it. Is that the case, right? Because I just got a winning trade today, and all those haters here pretend it didn't happen. It's not yesterday, it's not last week, it's the same day. It's actually 30 minutes before. All these people here out there acting like it's never happened, there's no winning trade, what the hell is W? See? I love this. I love this community. full of trash haters. But these haters are actually increasing my views. So yeah, you come to here to entertain us. Thank you. And I love how they spread these lies and rumors out there so they will attract more people to come to our stream and our community. See, if I really keep on getting W or keep on getting L, they will see it with their own eyes. Oh, come on. It's still torturing me. MNQ is still torturing me. Come on, just kill my shade. What? But why would one input energy here today? Because they're jealous. You can see, yeah, this is the only thing. They say that I gamble to make $1 million, then why don't you gamble it, right? If that is how I make $1 million, you should do it too. It should be possible to do it too, isn't it? Why don't you do that? Because they are just trash. They're losers. So when they see other people taking losses, they will be happy. When we getting win, they will pretend it didn't happen. So I stop out here. I will wait for another liquid sweep to get in a short, but I'm not looking for any long setup right now. So right now I lose only 170 bucks. Oh my god, man! I don't even know what the points of trading these. I'm keep on having 100 bucks loss, 100 bucks wins. For what? I want to trade more. I mean, we just create another trend line liquidity here. Yeah, we definitely got something to short. I am so sure. But I will wait for more confirmation first. What? Might get SMT with yes. I'll keep an eye on that. Those are traders. Those are definitely traders. It's like they are just kids, you know, because an adult, a mature adult, would not spend time on trashing other people. And you know, I just talked with some platform staff lately, and just so you know, for those out there trashing me, one email, I can just send one email and you're gone from being any affiliate for those platforms. You know that, right? Because many of those platforms that they can read Chinese or Mandarin or Cantonese, but I can, and they trust me. So all I have to do is translate all your posts and contents and send it to them, and you'll be gone forever in the whole platform industry. Just so you know, I'm just giving you a warning, the last warning. If you come here and trash again, you know, you don't have any other chance. Don't short now, NQ is still going a little higher. Not now, not at this moment. I would need more confirmation, but I'm actually still looking for a short setup indeed, but not at this moment. I need something that make me feel like all the orders are gone, that I can, like, is the sentiment is changing. Bro, I just say something like that and you get something, you get a displacement like this. I hate you, NQ. Don't give me displacement right now. Don't. Please at least go up higher a little bit. No, I don't want to short with this. Don't do that. It's a trap. It's a trap. But we have a like small SMT, I gotta say, because this is equal high and this is a higher high. But still, I think this is a trap. I feel like we have to at least sweep this high first. Let's short again. No, we need more confirmation. I'm looking for short, yes, but we need more confirmation. I'm keeping a close eye on the 30 seconds and the 15 seconds chart. Why you trade during this bad PA and after 2 losses? Because this is not bad PA. I won't blame the market as always. This is not bad PA. You can definitely find some trading setup here, obviously. And I would say there's no bad PA at all. It just depends on how you manage your trade. And I didn't think that this is a complete 2 losses because I actually got 1 W, so it's covering all the losses. So my first W is actually covering my first losses because after my first losses, I was still green. So that means actually a break even. So the second loss is a real losses. So that is how you do the maths. But I think probably not everyone understand how is it. Last time, I think someone tell me that even though you trail your stop loss, your R is still, you should still use your initial stop loss as the RR, which is not the case because your risk is different when you trail your stop loss. So if you try to break even, you're actually doing a break even trade, like a risk-free trade. So if you move your TP, if you move your stop loss, of course your R is different. It's just the same. So if my RR is here, like if my TP is here, for example, and then I change it, it was 1 to 3.7, right? So if I change my TP to here, it's 1 to 3.1. So is it, even if I change my TP to here, I should still use this as the RR, right? Definitely not, right? If you move your TP a little lower, of course your RR is changing too. So how come if you move your stop loss, your RR is not changing? Do you guys understand what it means? It's kind of a simple math. Sometimes I don't know why I have to explain this. Alright, we just sweep the high. Yes, didn't. I am still looking for short setup. more confirmation is coming. But I would like price to get up here, or at least here too, and then have some consolidation first, because right now we're only a few points away from this high. Volatility kick in at 4 a.m. But 4 a.m. already passed. I won't bring the market desk cards right there. Yes, of course. I'm not gonna bring anything. Not the market, not other people, not the strategy, not the mentor. Right? We always take the chase because of our own action. We make those decisions. We click the button with our own hand. How can I blame anyone, anything? Alright, we got SMT with ES. We got a small BC here, which is very small. Chat, you guys know that, right? You know what I want to do, right? Get in, I just get in. Well, wait, where is my stop loss? So I put my stop loss at a 30 seconds order block. Can you see it? Yeah, here, 30 seconds order block. And yeah. Yeah, it's definitely over trading. It's definitely over trading. So this is the TP. It's kind of a little bit FOMO too, because like I feel like that shot is incoming, and I don't want to miss it, you know. Now I scale in 5 more contracts. Got a plateau here. Or I will switch back to 1 minute time frame. So it's here. So let's see if this gap stay open. If not, then it will be a probably another losses. But yeah, that is something I'm willing to risk. Okay, done setting all this shit. Crossing fingers, yes, close below reroll. I don't use reroll. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Janice. Live trading, mister. You're doing gold trading. So right now, this still staying as breakaway gap. I hope it can keep on being a breakaway gap. Then we can have more chances to go lower. Because these displacements actually is giving us information about the current sentiment. But the stop loss is a little bit too large, I gotta say. I don't like it, but I try my best. I already using 30 seconds order block. Not even 1 minute. It's a 30 seconds order block. So I can just keep on pushing it lower because we did get a breakaway gap here, and price can definitely retrace back to this gap. So if I push it a little bit lower, then when the retracement come, I can just get wake out. So right now the 30 seconds order block is actually the reasonable stop loss for this short setup. And if I get stop out, that means this trade idea is invalid, so I shouldn't hold this trade anymore. Well, right now is 4:16, right? So we are still within the kill zone. And if it's past 5 a.m., I wouldn't take a new trade anymore. I can still hold that trade, but I'm not taking new trade. If I do so after 5 a.m., I am 100% over trading, chat. So chat, at that time, keep me accountable. Don't let me get in any trades after 5 a.m. You think we will see big short in NY session today? It's just like yesterday, right? The short I want just not happened in London. It just happened in NY. I was waiting for those shorts set up the whole session, 3 hours. It's just not going anywhere. This is manipulation. No, we're going up. Yeah. Let me take a look on ES, or because I need a chart that I can see on ES. ES already strips a lot of LRL. ES go a lot lower. I should short on ES, man. Take a look on ES. You see? I should take that trade on ES, man. ES is a lot weaker compared to NQ, and it's so close to the Asia low. Right now we are still, this BC is still holding price, and candlestick is still closing on the upper part of this BC, which is not a good sign because we should actually get a candle body closing on the lower part, which can bring price lower. You took pre-NY short yesterday, great. I took that short, like short scalping, so it's not a large ring short. I feel like I need more live stream moderator here. Anyone is willing to be one of our YouTube live stream, let me know. Oh, Ollie, you want to be here? Sure, of course. I don't even know you're here. You're not talking. We just sweep this low. Minus sell side liquidity. This was my original TP. Do you guys still remember my first W? That was my original TP. BC trading the chop. But did you get hurt by the chop? Because I did. I did. Let me take a look on ES. ES after displacement is struggling to go down. We need ES to get lower. It's not even going to my parcel, man. You are almost trading 1 minute. Why did you open, Michael? Okay, wait. Look, okay, I'm back. It's the DHL guy. Yeah. So where are we now? What did I miss? Nothing, right? You send your trade in Discord. Let me take a look. We almost got the same trade, isn't it? But you get a lot better entry than mine. You got a great entry. But it's good to know that at least someone else is taking the same short as me. So I'm not going crazy by taking short. Price retracing after sweeping this low. Also on ES, which is not a good idea. Because right now, we actually sweep all these LL. We did sweep it. So we have to see if price still gonna have another displacement. Because by entering here, we're actually changing the second leg of distribution instead of the first distribution. Do you live trade on IG? Why would I do any live on IG? It's like the trade from hell, excellent entry but crap continuation. This is not excellent entry. This is a very bad entry. I gotta admit, this is a very bad entry. I'm entering with this IFUG, which you can see when price retraces, the wick is exactly inside this inversion. But if you ask me, I would say entering with this displacement would be better instead of this, thing. This week is crazy, lots of big events and short week. Yeah. Oh, so yeah, this Friday is US bank holiday. So for this week, our last stream will be Thursday. I mean, I got nothing to do right now. I'm just waiting for the Che. Because I either got stop out or I got TB. So right now, I got nothing to do. Yes, it's also retracing. If it's an L, you'd rather blame Trump. Why? Why? But Trump is not talking right now. I mean, waiting the Che to pay out is a lot more boring than waiting for a setup. I mean, when I'm waiting for a setup, I'm actually looking for something, right? I'm actively looking for something. But right now, there's nothing I can do. I can't even trail my stop loss. So I can just only sit here, sit still. Oh, what's that? We suddenly got a gap down. What happened? This is actually a good setup, loving one with it. Thank you, Daniel Trader. Thank you. I gotta say, sometimes I did hesitate. I mean, I'm just a human being. I'm just a human being. I'm just a girl. Alright? I'm gonna play the female card right now. I'm just a girl. Okay. You took it cool, but close too early. Probably not a good, probably not a bad idea, because like let's keep on chopping. I'll take a look on yes. Yes going lower. Right now, NQ is lower than yes. Yes didn't sweep the low yet, but NQ did. Gap down when you stated I sit still. Gap down but didn't hit my take parcel yet. Come on, just a few more points. I need to secure some profits. Thank you. Don't we chase back now? No, no, no. I got it. Right now we're actually having SMT with ES, which is a very bad idea. Where do you post trades? You can post trade in my Discord, the trading chat. Alright, I just parcel out. Still 5 micros here, so it's this low. The last 5 contracts will be. I will tell my stop loss to break even now. Okay, let me. Yeah, I know I'm probably killing my chase, but yeah, it is what it is. Yes, also dropping. So we need 10 more pawns to get to our ultimate TP. This displacement is looking good. Right now we just switch to the bullish order block. You can see that. But you know, this candlestick actually is closing outside of this BC. So which is good. It's not like we just only got a wick down here. We actually got a whole candle body here. We still got some chance, I would say. I will still, and it's risk free right now, right? I try my stop loss to break even. Right now it's half W, another half W. We need a little bit lower, just a little bit. Let me take a look on yes. Yes also sweep some minor buy side liquidity, minor sell side liquidity. And yes, actually going to Asia low. And for anyone is in this short, please take parcel and also protect your capital. I mean, whether if you want to try it to break even is on you, but I would say take parcel is essential. Because you know what would happen if you don't take parcel. If you ever watch my stream, you know. So please take parcel. We'll be chasing back to this CB. Let me take a look on yes. Yes also rechasing. We need a little bit push, just a little bit push, then we can be done. Oh, Janice already getting TP. Well, you can definitely close your whole position. You don't have to hold till the end or left a runner. You don't have to left a runner. You can close the whole position for sure. What made you take this trade? We got so many sell side liquidity down here. I was aiming for the short. the whole time, the whole stream. But I got very bad chain management, which all you can see that. So I keep on getting wick out. Alright, good. We got a wick inside. Candle body is not inside the CB. I want it to stay outside of the CB. Then we will get a better chance on getting our final TP. Asia low. So for ICT concept, Asia session is 8 to 12 a.m. Eastern time. All right, like 8 p.m. to 12 midnight. Oh, we're close. We're close, chat. We're so close. Just a little few more points and we can get out of this shit. NQ behave. Don't we chase right now, okay? Don't tease us here. He's teasing us. Let me take a look on yes. Yes, it's still going lower. No, we don't get the full W yet. We still got half W here. We still got just V. Give me that W. You think NQ will go to MNO? I think so too, but seriously, I mean, since I got some losses, I don't want to be too aggressive. If I didn't get any losses before, yes, I definitely aim for this. I think at least it will touch the 1 hour FVG, at least. NQ is teasing us. It's chopping near our TP. Rage baiting. NQ keeps rage baiting. It's risk-free trade after all, right? Our stop loss is in break even. All right, coast finally, chat. You need a new emoji to show the half W. All right. I will give you that. Chat, finally. Oh my god. After the whole mess. Finally, man. W, please. We need something. Daniel Trader. If any of you also in this trade, post your entry in my Discord. Finally. Okay, I got something. I want to do that for a long time. All right, I'm back. You know, I want to do that for a long time, but since I didn't turn on the camera before, so right now I can do it. See what I bring to you? It's a Peroni, chat. Since our channel is Tipsy Trader, of course, you know what we have to do. Right? I'm going to. Where do you go? I went to the fridge. You know what we have to do, right? Chat. Come on. I got my opener here too. We have to do it. Sponsor. No, that's no sponsor. That's no sponsor. It's I buy it on my own. There's no sponsor. I shouldn't open it here. I'm sorry, I need to open it on the table. Good call, right? Peroni is good. Of course. Can you see it? Of course we have to do it. I'm so sorry, but since I'm sober right now, actually it's a Peroni Zero. I'm so sorry, chat. It's a Peroni Zero. But still, it's a beer. It's a non-alcoholic beer. I'm so sorry. I'm on diet. So, after all, but yeah, it's for the chat, okay, chat. It's for you. We drink together. It's a non-alcoholic beer. Awesome. But it actually tastes the same. For real, it tastes the same like those real beer. Oh my god, great. Beer diet, alcohol diet. Awesome. Great. Even though it's non-alcoholic beer, it's great. Peroni ad. But I shouldn't do that, right? I probably get banned from YouTube. I don't know if I can drink on the stream, but it's non-alcoholic drink, so I think it's okay. You just have to believe hard enough, and you get stupid. Yes. Sober trader is sober trader. So, yeah. So we just touch the 1 hour FVG. We sweep all this low, touching the 1 hour FVG. MNO is still out there. We may chop a little bit before going to MNO. You're doing beef and beer. A cup of coffee. I don't drink coffee. Sorry, that's me. Awesome. Cheers, chat. And don't forget to use Coke candy for your performance and Coke candies for TPT. Yes, of course we got some giveaway as always, right? But seriously, did you guys post your Che in Discord? Let me take a look. Only Yun is posting. Come on. I know some of you did take this Che, right? Post it. Let us know. Cook candy for Peroni? Crazy. That's awesome. I really love it. You know, I drink beer almost every day. Like, not now, like the real beer. I was drinking beer every day. But you know, when you have alcohol, you know, it will stop your body from burning fat and build muscle. So in order to build more muscle first, yeah, I have to stay sober for a period of time. Just a short period of time. Right now is 6 months. I am already sober for 6 months. Yeah. And I've never been sober for that long. But I have to say that the non-alcoholic beer did really good job. So when I really feel like I need a drink right now, I can just open a Peroni Zero. Or a Sapporo Zero. Yeah, all of this help. And please hit the like button if you want to give away, alright? Ray, oh, you know what? Wait, how can you just come here now? We just open a beer. You just open a beer here. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, chat. Beer is good. It has magnesium. Helps with blood flow. Oh. Is Candy having a beer? Yes. So price is still going down. I want to see if it's going to MNO right now or will wait after 5. Well, this is non-alcoholic drinks, chat. No worries. I'm not drunk here. So since it's non-alcoholics, actually like water. It's actually like drinking juice. It's better than juice because I don't have any sugar for that. All right, chat. It is great. But why after I get a W, where are those haters? Why they didn't say they get losses? They're trading my opposite trade. Why didn't now they should say they got losses, right? Where are they? Oh, it's more like a white wine. White wine? No. White wine is great. Truly tipsy shade. Alright, so for whoever want to get into the giveaway, please join my Discord. So you have to join my Discord first if you want to get into the giveaway. Oh, we keep on going down right now. Alright. So I just post the link here on the pinned chat. After joining the giveaway, after joining my Discord, go to the giveaway channel. I just post a link of a Google form. All you have to do is just fill in. Then you can participate the giveaway. We are hitting MNO right now. So today's sponsor is, as always, our Lucid Trading. So Lucid Trading will sponsor us a 50k Flex account today for the giveaway. And right now they are having a, what is that discount? I'm so sorry, I don't know. Let me take a look first. I have no idea what is the promotion. Right now they are still having 50% off for your first 2 account, right? So after that it will be 30% off. So if anyone want to try it out, it's time to do so. And also they got direct account, so you don't have to pass any evals. You can just buy it and trade it from the account. But of course, it's a little bit pricey compared to others. And Flex is my favorite because you don't have any consistency rule in funded account. You have consistency rule for eval, but not funded account. So yeah, it's easier. I don't like Pro. I'm so sorry, Lucid, but I don't like Pro account. I don't like it. Fast is my go-to. Hi Ray. We are having fun here. We are drinking beer together here. I don't know if I'm the only one drinking beer though today. Probably the others are drinking coffee. You're shorting without me. You know, when I took short today, you know how much hate I got today for keep on fighting short sell. You know how many hate I got today just for not taking this long, but keep on shorting here. What account Lucid have without consistency? So for flex account, funded account, they don't have consistency rule, and also is EOD drawdown, so it's not intraday challenge. But they have 50% consistency rule in eval, which is reasonable. I gotta say, 50% for eval, because like most of the platforms out there, they got consistency for eval, but just after you pass it for funded account, you're free. You're free to go without any restriction. MNO, finally MNO. Well, I gotta say I'm glad to get out here, because you know we chopped for a while before getting to MMO. I'll be frustrating if I have to go through all this chopping. So is everyone getting the giveaway? Because it's time for me to close it. I am about to close it. I will give you 1 more minute, everyone. Go to the giveaway channel in my Discord, fill in the form, then you can get in. Good sell, right? Good sell. Thank you. All right, I will close it now. Okay, give me a moment, please. I will get it done soon. So everyone can only enter with 1 entry. For those who enter more than 1 will be disqualified. Oh. All right, chat. Are you ready? It's time to go. I'm gonna hide myself, hide the camera, because I don't know what should I do when the dark way is happening. So I think I would just turn off the camera for 2 minutes. All right. Are you ready, chat? Are you ready? We're about to start right now. I'm so sorry. I'm muted. I'm so sorry. I'm muted. So congratulations, Ladies Broker. Please go to my Discord and create a supported cat to claim your prize. Awesome. Awesome. Woohoo. Great. Oh, wow. This retracement right after this MNO. Just awake, go through the MNO and then retrace. Oh my god. Oh my god. See? It's just like this every time, right? We happen something like that. Like we got a wick down to MNO and 1 hour FPG, then price retrace. We get something like this happen. So I'm gonna always trusting this MNO. Our trading model, this is the turtle soup model. Today, my trade is the turtle soup model. I didn't get in for the turtle soup part, obviously. I get in for the IFVG here. When this, when price turn this BC into a valid IFVG, I get in here. This is not the most ideal entry point, I have to admit it. But this CB stay as breakaway gap, which is a good sign, and this bearish candlestick, the wick touching the high of this BC and then going down, and also this gap down that come out of nowhere is good side too. Yeah, but right now if I look back, the long position, the long setup that I took is definitely over trading, because I was looking for short setup the whole stream, right? When we going up, I was like, I'm gonna wait for a short position, but then I suddenly take a long setup. I gotta say, at that time, I am clearly until I have to admit that. I mean, if I took another short setup and I got wick out, it would say I got a bad chain management, but I suddenly switched to taking a long. Is definitely tilted. So yeah. So right now I got a video format trading journal. I love it, you know. It's not like just written. When I want to look back what kind of trades, what kind of mistakes I make, I can just look back on all of my live streams. So yeah, I got some mistakes here, which is normal. We are all human, okay? We're all human. We make mistakes. It's okay. Just we use calculated risk. We're not going too crazy. Well, I'm not using more than 1 mini today, right? I was getting in 5 micros first and scaling the other 5, taking partial on the way down and close it at the end. So yeah, the only thing can be better is like not taking that long setup. You can join the giveaway because it's Lucid. So if your country is on the restricted country list on Lucid, then you can join it. Next time when we do other performance giveaway, you can join it at that time. All right. It's not overshading. Opportunities occur. Yeah, I mean, I can do better, I would say. But by the, I never limit how many trades I took. I use the dollar amount to limit it. Like for example, if I lose more than $3,000, I will stop trading that session. I will switch to other accounts to trade the NY session, which today my maximum loss was few $100, right? I think it's few $100 only. Let me take a look. I think I can look back. Oh no, not even few $100. It's $180. So today my maximum drawdown is $180. I mean, if I can take another trade just by losing less than $200, then I'm crazy. It's not even 2,000. It's less than $200. So I can definitely take another trade for sure. But anyways, thank you for anyone who's still in the stream right now. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you all tomorrow at 2 a.m. Eastern time. I hope you guys can, stay cautious because we got Trump's speech at 9:30 and FOMC at 2 and 2:30. So if you really want to take some trades, please reduce your position size and probably just trade funded account, not personal capital, all right? And if you take any trades today, welcome to post your chart, your entry, or your payout certificate in this call. We can share this happiness together, celebrate together. So, see you all tomorrow. Thank you all. Love your chat. Goodbye.